I'm very proud to wear and to participate in TasPride today, as I have done so now for many years, and to also send the message to all of our staff, many of which have participated for years in TasPride, that we support you, and it's critical for everyone in our community to know that you are welcome at the Department of Health in Tasmania.
TasPride's a beautiful celebration of our diverse community and of course the diverse workforce we lead to within the Department of Health.
It's important that everyone should feel safe to be their authentic self, and as leaders we need to stand up and ensure that that message is front and centre of everything that we do.
It is absolutely fantastic to see the crowd around me, to see the diversity of uniforms, SES, police, paramedics, and of course the Department of Health staff.
It's just amazing. We've been working on a choir. It's just been a great activity, as this is of bringing people together, demonstrating support, not only for the people who work there, but for the people who need to come and seek our services.